Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643. Let's fix it guys. This update has a problem when installing the update. So the solution is to hide updates guys. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for Windows Show Hide Updates tool. Search for it and you will be get the official Microsoft site. Windows Show or Hide Update tool unavailable. Click on it. You just need to scroll down, select the link. You just need to scroll down, select the download option. After getting download done, select show in folder. Right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. Now you just need to open this program. Select next. Select hide updates. In here you can able to see the name with security update for Windows 10 version 22H2 for x64 based systems. The code is KB5034441. You just need to check mark the box, that particular box. After check marking it, select next and this will hide that update guys. And after doing this, your problem has been fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.